Hi everyone, welcome back to White Loop Bytes. Today we are diving into a super fun project, building a snack game using Arduino. We are combining a joystick and 8x8 LED matrix powered by MAX7219 and a 16x2 LCD to track your record in real time. Whether you are into embedded system or just love retro gaming, this project is packed with hands-on learning and creativeness. So let us get started step by step. Here we are using an Arduino Nano with a 16x2 LCD and 8x8 LED matrix with MAX7219 driver, one joystick and an active buzzer. The buzzer signal pin is connected to digital pin 8 and its ground is connected to GND. For the LCD with I2C module, the ground pin goes to GND and the VCC pin goes to VIN. The SDA pin is connected to A4 and the SCL pin is connected to A5. The joystick has 5 pins: the SW pin, VRX, VRY, VCC and ground. The SW pin is connected to digital pin 2, the ground pin goes to GND, the VCC pin goes to VIN, VRY and VRX pin goes to A1 and A0. Finally, the LED matrix with MAX7219 driver has its ground connected to GND and VCC pin to VIN. The DIN pin, which is MOSI pin, is connected to digital pin 11. The chip select pin is connected to pin 10 and the CLK pin is connected to pin 13. Alright, that is our hardware setup. Now let us move ahead. This section includes the library for I2C communication, for LCD and for LED matrix. We also define the buzzer pin. Okay, here we initialize the MAX7219 LED matrix with data in on pin 11, CLK on pin 13, CS on pin 10. The LCD is set to I2C address 0x27 with 16x2 character layout. We define the joystick pin, the start button, the flags to track direction, and array to store the snack's position and control movement. This function randomly placed food on the matrix, making sure it does not overlap with the snack's body. Okay, we read analog value from the joystick and set the direction flag. Then we update the movement direction, ensuring the snack cannot reverse into itself. This function clear the matrix and redraw the snack based on its current position. It also reads joystick input during each frame for real-time control. This is where we initialize everything: serial, LCD, LED matrix, buzzer and input pins. We display a welcome message and wait for the player to press the start button. Once pressed, play a startup tone and light up all LEDs briefly. This is a heart of game. We initialize variable like score, speed and snack position. Then we enter two nested loop, one for intro animation and one for actual gameplay. Okay. If the snack hits a wall, we trigger a game over sequence with buzzer tone and flashing LED animation. Okay. When the snack eats food, we increase its length, increase the speed for more challenging and update the score. A short buzzer tone confirm this action. We shift a snack body forward by copying position, then update the head based on current direction. Now it is time to flash the code. Go to the tool and select the port. Here I have already selected the Arduino Nano related port and select the 8MEGA328P old bootloader and Arduino Nano board. Okay, now click on upload. Wow, you can see code has been uploaded. Okay, let us start the game. Wow, snake is moving. Feeling like real snake game. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, so please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.